All right, hey guys, welcome to Cappa College. Today we're going to take you around our beautiful CNC precision machining shop and give you a little tour to let you know what to expect when you come in here on premise. So first and foremost, the most important thing to us here at Cappa is your safety, as well as my safety and the safety of all of our friends and family, right? So we're going to come in here, we're going to teach you a lot about the fundamentals, about how to handle yourself in Canadian workshops, as well as just to be safe in general. So when you come on through, on our daily basis, we've got our workboard here that we're going to be using to figure out our little things like our calculations and our speeds and stuff like that, as well as just dissect anything that we've learned in theory that we need a little bit more explanation of. Posted above is the standard Canadian safety rules. You're going to see this in any shop in Canada. It's going to be what we focus on a daily basis. So as long as you come in with a smile and a good attitude and you work safely, everyone's going to leave a little bit smarter and a little bit happier. So come on through. So on the left here, this is our bank of micro wheelie, manual or conventional machines. The idea is that what we're going to do is we're going to teach you how to make very simple projects, and then we're going to move you through to very complex projects by the end. We're going to do tapers and thread turning as well as knurling, amongst other things. Doing this is going to give us a solid foundation for when we hit the CNC lathe. So come on through. So as we walk through, you'll see that we have 8 micro wheelie machines. These are industry standard. This is something that you will use the moment you get into the shop and off the school's floor. Come on. To our right here, we have our standard drill press. Everybody's probably seen something like this in wood shops or in someone's garage. Something like that. Very simple machine, but a great versatile machine to use. Down here, we have our row of 4 benches. On these benches, we have a ton of vices. What we do is we get into a lot of our hand skills. CNC machinists operate a lot with the computer and the machine, but what we need to do here is teach you the fundamentals and get you working with your hands to make you more confident when you have to use them in the shop. As we get past our hand stuff, we're going to get back into our machines again. These are our milling machines. These are Maximart mills. Again, this is industry standard. This is exactly what you're going to be using when you get out of here and you make it to the shop floor. These machines here are going to teach you, again, all the fundamentals that you need to become a solid CNC machinist or a tool and die maker in the manual world. These machines are powerful, but they are accurate. They are a little intimidating at times, but with the right coaching and the right safety, everybody can jump off on these within the first couple weeks and feel confident that they're going to produce good parts. So as we move through, we're going to get back over to our CNC machines here. Right here we have our surface grinder. This surface grinder is going to help us maintain extremely tight tolerances. It's another machine just to get the rust off and make you feel confident about using this type of intimidating machinery. Once you learn, again, the safety and the function of the machine, you'll have a very confident and good learning experience on this. Over here we have a simple bandsaw. There's a vertical bandsaw, we have a horizontal bandsaw in another shop. Again, we're going to teach you the rules of cutting, we're going to teach you how to read a tape measure, we're going to work from big tolerances and we're going to work our way down to very, very tight tolerances, but this is where it all begins. So as we push through, we're going to get over to our CNC capabilities. So now, anybody can be a CNC button operator. Our goal is to make you able to troubleshoot the problems that arise on a day-to-day basis. We don't want you to have a problem and raise your hand and call someone over. We want you to be able to actually formulate an opinion, an educated guess, let's say, and come up with a solution before you call somebody over. So when we get over here, the basis of our milling machines there is going to give you a solid foundation on operating our Haas mini mill. Once we get this running, we're in good shape. We get over here from our mill, and then we go from our conventional mill or lathe over to our CNC lathe. Come on through. So that's pretty much it. That's a tour of our shop here. It's a small shop, but it's a very well-equipped shop. This shop has already trained many, many students and sent them out into the real world, and we are hearing lots of success coming back from this program. I hope that you take this opportunity. This gets you excited as I get about this, and you guys come on in for a tour, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Cappa College.